Okay, you guys, so in this video I'm gonna be doing a what's in my bag video. So yeah, guys. All right, so starting off, I have a spray bottle and it says Cool and Bright. It's by Pink. So you know, when you go to the store you can buy Bath and Body Works or Miss, and and it actually smells really good too. Let's see what else. I have my selfie stick right here, and this actually can go high, but I'm not gonna show it too high, but yeah. Let's see, I'm gonna show you guys everything. So I have my headphones. These I kind of used like a couple of months ago. I don't know if they still work, but I'm pretty sure they probably still do. Let's see. So I have sunglasses here, and I kind of would wear them now, but due to I put makeup on, yeah, no. Next I have Dove deodorant. It's always good to keep your hygiene. So it's actually, what flavor? It's sweet odor. No, that's not the flavor. Hold on. It just says fresh moistures, but I believe it's probably like a lavender scent. And it's lavender and it smells really, really good. So next I have glasses, and I found these. I believe these are probably mine because my sister said these are not hers. So these must be my old glasses from years ago, and my vision actually has gotten worse due to I need newer glasses and I need to get tested again. So yeah, these need to be cleaned and I need new glasses. So yeah. Okay. Next I have my cheetah wallet, and I don't know if I could show you like everything, but I have like my library card in here, store cards in here, and yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys that because I don't want to show too much. Let's see. I have pads. It's always good to keep pads as a woman, and mind you, this is like kind of like an updated thing because I don't really keep what I really need, so this is actually a good video to do. So yeah, pads. Yeah. I got ibuprofen. It's good for I can even, oh my god, it's good for headaches. There's the word, headaches. And yeah, so I have 2 proofs of address, which is, I'm not going to show you my address, but it's good for me to keep 2 proofs of address if I go anywhere. Let's see. I have a mini lotion. It's Olivia Grace Romantic Rose Ultra Hydration Hand Cream with shea butter and oil. So yeah, guys, let me try to smell it again. I think I'm gonna put a little bit on my fingers. Let me see. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, let's see. Next, I have a scrunchie. And it's always good to keep a scrunchie because you know, sometimes like your hair gets in the way, or you know, you just need it sometimes to like catch your hair up in one or something. So yeah. Let's see. So yeah, next I have two what's it called? Keys, house keys, or whatever you want to call these things here. But yeah, keys, and it's always good to keep one. I actually have one that says Jammin' Bahamas Freeport. Oh wow, I forgot I had this. You guys can see it. And this is when I went to high school. It says Vero Beach High School. And when I used to work at JCPenney, they would give me like a name tag. And this right here is for like if you have like a sanitizer, you could like put your hand sanitizer in here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me see if I have anything else. Oh, okay, so I have a speaker, a mini power speaker. I don't really use this as often because I have like a bigger one, and I believe this is like a portable one, and I have to get the right charger for it. So yeah, I got this at CVS. Yeah, but it's really cool to like keep like a portable charger. So let's see here. I have oral gel because when I went to the dentist, like I had like a really bad tooth pain, and if you want to watch that video, I'll probably link it down. But I had tooth extractions or whatever they call it, and they had to remove like one of my wisdom tooth, and I was in pain for a couple days. So keep oral gel on you. Let's see. I have earpiece or earbuds. I haven't used these in a minute, like a couple months. I hope they still work. But yeah, they're in pink, but my favorite color is blue. Let's see. Oh wow. Okay, so oh wait, no. Okay, two more things. Okay, so I have my pens here, and I keep pens on me, like if I go somewhere, or you never know if you need any pens. So yeah, so that was the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will surely be linking some of the things down below. So yeah. Bye guys.